1. What is the simple definition of conception according to the sources? Conception simply means getting pregnant. 2. At what point does pregnancy technically begin? Pregnancy signals its beginning at the point of fertilization. 3. Where are sperm cells released and where do they travel during copulation? Sperm cells are released into the female genital tract and travel cephalad, towards the head-upper tract. 4. What is capacitation and where does it occur? Capacitation occurs in the uterus, upper female genital tract, to prepare sperm cells for the penetration of the zona pellucida of the secondary oocyte. 5. In which specific part of the fallopian tube does the sperm meet the secondary oocyte? The meeting occurs in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. 6. What is the first layer of the secondary oocyte that sperm cells must penetrate? The sperm cells first penetrate the corona radiata. 7. What happens as soon as a sperm cell reaches the zona pellucida? The sperm undergoes an acrosome reaction, its cytoplasm merges with the oocyte, and its nuclear material is released into the oocyte. 8. What mechanism prevents multiple sperm from fertilizing a single egg? After the acrosome reaction, other sperm cells are inhibited from penetrating the cytoplasm of the oocyte. 9. What is formed when the secondary oocyte completes its second meiotic division? It forms the female pronucleus in the second polar body, the latter of which is extruded. 10. How many chromosomes are contained in the male and female pronuclei respectively? Each pronucleus contains 23 chromosomes. 11. What processes are triggered immediately after the fusion of the male and female pronuclei? After fusion, rapid mitosis and replication begin to occur. 12. What does the fertilized ovum become before it begins its journey to the uterus? The fertilized ovum becomes a zygote. 13. How long does it take for the zygote to reach the uterus? It takes 4 days for the zygote to reach the uterus. 14. What is the zygote called when it is an 8-cell structure? It is known as an 8-cell morula. 15. What differentiation occurs on the 5th day after fertilization? The morula differentiates into a blastocyst. 16. What is zona hatching? Zona hatching is the process where the blastocyst is extruded from the confines of the zona pellucida. 17. Which part of the blastocyst eventually develops into the embryo? The inner cell mass develops into the embryo. 18. Name the 2 layers that make up the outer cell mass of the blastocyst. The outer cell mass consists of the inner cytotrophoblast cells and the outer syncytia trophoblast. 19. How is the blastocyst able to burrow into the endometrial layer? The finger-like projections of the syncytia trophoblast help the blastocyst